Hi, John Lay here from Town to Learning to give you a new hot take. Today's hot take is on Blink.it, Blink.it, online. Blink.it is a learning system, a learning management system, lightweight, developed in Germany for the German-speaking market, at least right now. They've been around since 2015 and have close to 1,000 clients. Their clients, though, are generally departmental inside of corporations. Sometimes the whole enterprise, often the sales or the customer service or one function inside of a particular corporation. And they also, their other target market is going towards subject matter expertise or subject matter experts, one at a time, trainers that can produce and provide their own training online. The German market is a little bit different than the United States learning technology market because of SAP being a powerhouse and a German company. About half the companies, as it turns out, in Germany, in corporation, have the success factors or SAP LMS solution. The other half, primarily on the small and medium-sized business, haven't really been doing anything until COVID. COVID in Germany, just like every corner of the world, has driven the need for online learning for all types of learning audiences, both for your employees and for your extended enterprise. And since then, the other half of the German market has really been on fire, purchasing and deploying learning systems. Because a lot of these organizations are on their first system, Blink.it targets a really basic use case scenario, allow you to quickly set up an administrator. That administrator or content designer can very quickly create content from a series of steps or little micro lessons. Each micro piece of content could be a video, or it could be a quiz or a survey or maybe a PowerPoint or a score module of any size. And you essentially create a series of those, a learning path or a curriculum, and it's as simple as that. The admin interface and the learner interface looks identical. The training path is identical. It's just in the admin you can click on it and have the ability to edit its different properties. And that's primarily it. It is a tool to get content online, to put it into a curriculum, and then to assign it to users, and then be able to report on that at any level to make sure that your learners are basically consuming the content. A lot of their smaller clients have non-integrated learning management systems, so it's a standalone entity that you drive your learners to. In other cases, it's integrated primarily with a single sign-on and a SAML way as a way to share identification and user databases and keep the Blink.it learning system up to snuff with the latest and greatest of your employee data. It's really easy to create blended online boarding classes, and the pricing of it is really super affordable. In U.S. dollars, it's about $99 to $200 a month, depending on what level you want for a personal license to sell or rather provide your content to the external world. Or if you're an enterprise, it's around $500 or so dollars a month, and that gives you more capabilities, of course, and API and things like that, but also then the ability to pay for your monthly usage as it's actually happening. So it's kind of like a platform fee and then pay for usage. Main differentiators are easy admin, easy content creation, easy to get learners into it, easy to deploy, easy for learners to consume the content, and that's what they're going after. But the German market's tough because of GDPR. Those are the privacy regulations that are being driven out of Europe and primarily out of Germany that have impacted the whole world. But they're most stringent and most complex and most adhered to in Germany, making it really difficult for non-German systems to compete well in there. So I predict Blink.it is going to have a bright future and some really stellar growth here inside the German marketplace, and eventually we'll be expanding to other areas in Europe and in North America. So there you have it. There's my hot take on Blink.it. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.